Hello viewers, today I gonna show you how to fix Instagram DM not opening problem. Fixed it. Follow my all step. At first, you open settings. Now click apps. Now search Instagram. Now click Instagram. Now scroll down. Now click storage. Now click clear cache and clear data. Now all permission. Allow all permission. And click force stop. Now go back. Now click Play Store. Click your Play Store. Now search Instagram. Open your Play Store and check your Instagram update. Search update Instagram. My Instagram already updated. Now open your Instagram. Now open Instagram account. Now click DM option. By doing process you can successfully your problem solve. Thank you for my watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel.